everybody, sorry for the lighting, oh my god. But hello everybody, it's me Kelly again here. Today I'll be making another slime video. But this time I'm using it with glitter gel pens. So I'm going to make a glittery slime. And there's not going to be like any color, it might be a little bit blue because I'm using the blue one. Or should I use gold? I don't know. I think I'm going to use blue just, and then I'll use gold another time. But basically for this, I'm going to use a whole glue bottle. I'm going to use 4 ounces if anyone is wondering what this is. It's 4 ounces. I'm going to use 4 ounces of glue. Then I'm going to use this Take the Day Away Cleansing Milk. And just going to make it like stretchy, hopefully. And so yeah. So then I have the glitter pen. So let me just open this up. And this is going to be my first time making slime without shaving cream. It's kind of weird, but usually I always add like a little bit of shaving cream into it. This time I lost it. I don't know where it is. Wait, no, it's all gone, so that kind of sucks. But let's see which one has more in it. Well, I'll use this one. So then I'm just going to put the whole entire bottle in. Oh, this one is going to be glittery, what is it? Glittery, butter slime. So, yeah, it's probably going to take all day if I empty every little bit of it out, which I'm not going to do. But how much glue is in there? I'm so happy. The mixture is thick, so I'll get back to you guys when it's all out. Okay, guys, so I have like a little bit left, but I just won't use it on me. It's fine. Now I'm just gonna take this, squirt some in here. Like 8 or 7 pumps, doesn't matter. And then you just want to mix it around. So yeah, and then it smells like this lotion doesn't have a smell to it. And a lot of people use Bath and Body Works lotion. I'm just using this lotion, and it's kind of liquidy. So don't use a lot of it. Like I said, either 8 or 7 pumps, doesn't matter. Or 7 or 8 pumps, doesn't matter. Whatever you want to say. So let me just get my gel pen. Get it and just squeeze it in there. Okay, let's mix. Put the cap on so it doesn't dry out. So I don't know if you guys can see, but we're just like gonna mix. Whoa, it's like a galaxy. It's so glittery. Guys, it's like, I don't even know what. I'm gonna use another one. I'm gonna put some paint in there with it. No, guys, I'm just like going crazy. I never did this before. This is just so exciting for me. I don't know if you guys know, but this is way more exciting. And then we have purple. We still have silver, gold, purple, and red left. So, I mean, that's still a lot of colors. I know a lot of you guys are like, that looks like red to me, but I promise you guys it's not red. This is pink. That looks like red, though, with the pink top. I'm confused, guys. I don't know. Oh, and I have some paint on my table. Don't mind it. But, yeah, I'm thinking should I use this whole entire tube of blue? I don't know. Isn't there other people do? Don't they, like, use the whole entire tube of it? Or something like that? Don't they, like, use the whole entire tube? I don't know. I just want to make glittery slime. There was 22 people in my school today who had a 7 people who had blue glittery, like a teal blue glittery slime. And then there was 22 people who had silver slime, like hollow slime, basically. Not really silver. But I think we're good with it now. I'm just going to squirt a couple more pumps in here. And then I think we should just put our solution in. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited about this slime. I don't even know what I'm saying. And a lot of you guys can use baking soda with it if you want. I just didn't have any on hand. Oh, cool. It comes with, like, things to put your contacts in. Picking that up. I hate making messes because I have to pick it up and I don't ever feel like it. But that's what you gotta do, kids. What you gotta do when you have a mess. You gotta pick it up. I'm so excited for this slime, you guys. You have no clue. What's happening? If I just used a whole bottle of glue and this doesn't work because I'm not using, like, anything for it. It's not that much in there. What the frick? I'm getting mad. Ow. I'm getting mad. What the frick? Guys, it's a fail. And I just wasted 2 whole tubes. Good thing I used the one with less glue in it. Imagine if I used one. I need, like, to wipe myself on something. Guys, I'm getting mad. Like, I'm getting really mad. Like, no one even knows right now. I have to have it somewhere. You know what? I'm done with things not working for me. This is like foam stuff. I don't know if it'll work. I guarantee this just made it worse. Look, I don't understand. Like, I didn't do anything wrong. Did I do anything wrong? Like, I know, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, I didn't have any and I needed a powder. But, like... the freaking bottle's almost gone. Maybe I put too much saline or something. Because look, when I mix thoroughly. Well, guys, it's a fail. Look. Like, I don't have enough money to be just wasting bottles of glue. Why though? Like, I can't just be wasting bottles of glue. What the frick? I don't even understand. Like, what the? For one in a million, it works. Why can't it work for me? Like, and that's all the contact lens solution I'm using because, like, look, you can't, like, this isn't slime. It was gonna be a good slime. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but there's, like, sparkles in it. Here, hold on, I'll put it close to the camera. Like, this was gonna be such a cool slime, like, you know, like, it was gonna be, oh my god, like, everyone's gonna like it at my school. And, like, it's just a fail. It's just, like, I'm done with this. I just wasted a whole entire bottle of glue. Like, bye, guys.